You might be curious on your IMEI data because you need to provide it for a particular matter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find IMEI on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So there are many ways to check your IMEI. So the first thing you can do is to go to your settings. And from here, you go to General and click on About right above the Software Update option. And then you can scroll down from here, and under the physical SIM section, you should be able to see the IMEI number you have for your iPhone. So the next thing you can do is to go to the phone app right here, to the dialer or the keypad, and what you're going to type in is *#06 and another pound, and it will automatically pop up your IMEI data, so you can find it from here as well. And the next thing you can do to check it is to check the packaging box of your iPhone, because it is usually shown there. So just look for it, and the last way you can do is to connect your iPhone to a laptop or PC and opening it on iTunes, and you can check it there as well. So that is how you basically find IMEI on iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.